They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they
I hope you guys liked the video, and let's get to it. So yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's Mitch, back again with another video. Right now, I'm gonna go eat with my friends. And being the scum human that I am, I'm gonna pull a little prank on Eddie. So yeah, you guys will see what that's about. But yeah, oh, actually, I think he's calling me right now. But yeah, if you're new around here, subscribe, share the video with everyone you can. That'd be awesome. Let me know what you think down in the comments below of my new intro video. I think it's pretty cool. Honestly, I like it. So yeah, let me know about that. And yeah, I'll see you guys as soon as everyone's here.
You're gonna snap my neck.
I feel like that's a bad thing.
Snap my neck. I heard. Did I hit your belt too?
Do you have a belt?
What did you guys do to my back?
Oh my god. He does. Eddie, lift your shit up again.
No, the ruler one.
What happened?
Kid, get in.
If you can't fucking handle it.
T-pose. You know what T-posing is? You know how they emote in Fortnite where they go like this?
I can't trust this kid doing that.
He's not gonna throw you into the wall.
I'll do it. What do you want me to do? Yeah,
T-pose.
what is that?
Stand up and just do that. I'm gonna drive around like that.
I can't trust you.
He's your own brother, dude.
Just stay like that as we drive around.
Alex, I trust you, dude. Please.
Imagine.
No.
Oh, kid, you know.
Mickey, what they do to you?
Where'd he go?
Just
he left the skin mark on the ground.
you know that.
Eddie, what if we throw you into the fucking rack? No, stop. Sure, it's a mask? It looks like the same thing. This is the monkey cam.
He's gonna cry now.
Yeah, that is. It's a monkey.
I mean, either or.
I know, yeah, well. Oh, it's still a monkey. Just kidding.
Why's that guy looking at you, Eddie? Why is he looking at you? He was laughing, man. I just stared at you. What the? What the? Dude, everyone. What the?
Fucking funny.
People honking, dude. Off the Henny. What the?
I don't know. That was funny.
Successful day of shopping or no?
Yeah. I returned the hat, I got my money.
Alright, so Eddie's outside and a bunch of people are staring at his car right now and he's wondering why. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Oh, not. Oh, what? Why is that lady staring at your car?
Ooh.
The lady behind us.
That's been going on a lot, and since yesterday they're fucking honking at my car. I can't drive any
What are you dressing up as?
I'll probably just wear my banana suit. I can't drive any faster.
Please,
I'm
Alan.
on the side of the road. It's only 5.
It's 5 already. Fuck.
Damn, dude. Good day at the mall. Good day at
Where
the
you
mall.
at?
Pretty.
The guy in the back is laughing.
And you see a guy in the back laughing?
Yeah, that piece of shit. What the f are you laughing at? Stick your head up.
Stick your
What are you laughing at?
He thinks he's better because he has a Prius?
You.
Hello?
Why you guys trying to fight an old dude? No way the hell he's honking at me.
He's not honking.
I heard it. I heard a honk. And then he's fucking laughing. What the fuck? Dude, why are you honking at me?
Catch up.
Just honk at you? Yeah. I'm going the speed limit. Fuck you, I'm not going over the speed limit. Don't flick anyone off. We're not even going over the speed limit.
Please, Eddie, please.
Oh, she was hot too.
Was she recording?
How the fuck are you filming my plates?
Hit maneuver.
Why are you filming my plates?
Dude, this light takes forever.
No,
No, it's gonna be quick because it's quick for them. Yeah, see like it's going right.
What the f?
What are you honking at, dude?
Dude, people fucking hate you today or something.
Why are you honking at me, assholes?
Who honked?
Somebody honked. Jesus, man. I can't speed. I already got pulled over once. Like, I'm just gonna follow the speed limit.
What is this?
What's up, Alex?
Oh, dude, this is fucking.
Like I dressed as a pirate?
Where are we going?
And stairs. So the dream apartment you want comes at the price you're.
What the hell?
Fuck you honking at me for?
What the fuck?
Showroom covered by $1
Why the hell are people honking at my fucking car? It's annoying.
I got shit on it or something, dude.
Let them fucking. It's fucking. It's like the 10th car in 2 days.
If you want a pair of tickets to Carnegie concert series,
Somebody honk again?
Oh, she's showing that ass.
What? What did you say?
Starts after the game.
Alright, later. Where you going? Are you leaving too?
Why?
What
What am I supposed to do?
Alright, so I'm back at my house. That was pretty funny. I got a couple cars to honk and Eddie was so confused. He's FaceTiming right now. I think he found out. We let him go, so.
Finally, you answered, you coward.
What's up?
Don't fucking act stupid.
What?
Again? Why do you get me again?
Why not?
Fuck you, dude. I was so excited yesterday. Like, oh, people are honking. Like, whether they like my car, maybe we're having a good time and shit.
Yeah.
And then they're honking at us today, and I'm getting pissed off. I was going the speed limit because of your dumbass.
Alright then.
I'll talk to you later.
Alright, peace.
I'm pissed, dude. Fuck you.
Like I said in the beginning, if you guys like the intro or if you watch it and you like it, let me know down below. I think it's pretty cool. But besides that, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, share the video please, that'd be awesome, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So thanks for watching. Peace.